Libra, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH. Titingnan natin ang energies ng inyong kaperahan. Money, career, finances ngayong September 2026. This is a general reading. Pwede kayong makarelate, pwedeng hindi. Just take what resonates. Another reminder, I will not message you or follow you para mag-offer ng services. So mag-ingat kayo sa mga fake accounts and scammers. Kung gusto nyo private reading, just go to my website, mysticqueenph.com, or you can book directly sa aking calendar. Link on the description or comment section. Okay, Libra. Money, career, finances, September 2026. What's the energy? The truth. Okay. The truth will set you free. Maaring meron kang matutuklasan na katotohanan tungkol sa iyong career, tungkol sa iyong life's purpose. May clarity, may awakening. And you will also get the support that you need. Marireceive mo yung support na kailangan mo for your business, for your career, kung sino man yung mga taong naniniwala sa iyong kakayanan, sa iyong mga visions. Yan. And also may stability. Ang ganda niya. No? Stability in your career, finances, kung ano man yung mga ipupursu mo. You have the support all around you. Your overall energy is the Three of Wands. Speaking of support, talagang yung iba sa inyo, international pa yung support. O kaya naman, maaring nasa abroad kayo, OFWs, or you have mga plano na mag-expand, mag-explore ng iba pang options ninyo sa career, sa trabaho nyo, sa business nyo. Your challenge is the devil. So, as a challenge, ito yung mga sabihin na nating toxic na energy sa career, sa trabaho. Sometimes kasi, na-overwork tayo eh. Kasi Capricorn energy rin yan. Someone na likes to work. Na parang nagiging alipin mo na ang sarili mo, no? Sa sarili mong trabaho or career or business. Kailangan balance mo lang. Okay? And then, anything na hindi aligned rin sa iyong mga goals, kailangan mong i-let go. Unhealthy habits in your finances and career. Now, your opportunity, you have the Queen of Cups. So, ito ay love and nurturing energy for your career, for your business. So, meron kang kakayanan na pangalagaan kung ano yung meron ka ngayon and to be grateful for what you have in your career, in your business. Some of you, this is about yung tiwala mo, no, yung pananalig mo sa iyong kakayanan. And then your blessing is the Hierophant, so being practical in your career, your finances. Maaring iba sa inyo mas mag-iipon, no? Mag-iipon kayo, mas magiging focus kayo kung paano nyo mas mapapaunlad yung career, trabaho ninyo. Maaari ring merong mentorship dito, no? Merong magtuturo sa inyo or you will consult with someone na marami ng kaalaman tungkol dun sa interest ninyo and area of expertise nila yon, no? Oy, di ba? Oh my God, why they're so aligned. So someone is willing to share experiences in their field that will motivate you to do better. Or maaring ikaw yung mentor, no? Your work and teachings inspire others. Ooh, collaboration, working with other people. Na merong parehong goal sa'yo. So, pwedeng ito yung mga makikilala mo. Somewhere along the way, sila yung makikipag-collaborate or ito yung support na makukuha mo, no? From people, from mentors, from collaborators. And then, stay low-key as you get the job done. Working in silence. Tahimik ka lang sa Gedli, pero marami ka nang na-achieve. Diba? Financial goal setting, yes. Ang importante, nagsiset ka ng goals mo para meron kang ipa-follow na structure sa trabaho, sa business mo, sa career mo. And also investment. So, maaring ito rin yung isa sa aalamin mo kung paano ka makakapag-invest, no? Yung extra money mo para you will let your money work for you. Hindi lang yung current job or business, but also you have other ways to make money. You are learning all aspects of spiritual connection and reaching new heights. So, reaching new heights, may pag-angat, may pag-unlad, may upgrade. Stand tall and proud. See the leadership role unfolding ahead of you. So, some of you, pwedeng ito yung opportunity na darating. Ikaw yung magiging mentor, no? So, part yan ng iyong growth sa career mo or sa leadership for your career. So, ang maganda dyan is merong upgrade, no? Nag-upgrade ka. Yung iyong career, business, or finances. So, that is your reading, Libra. Thank you so much. See you again.